Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. If anyone's new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I'm 55 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you're curious what came in the March 2022 Allure beauty box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, so I think I have a new puzzle box. This one's quite noisy, which means it's not packed very well. However, this old school box versus this new one is, the new one is about an inch larger here and about a half an inch larger there. Doesn't mean the products are any better. Just wanted to point out, it's a bigger box. If anyone isn't aware of what the Allure beauty box is, Allure is actually a beauty magazine and they give awards. You've probably seen their awards touted on Sephora sites, Ulta, any kind of makeup brand. If they got an award, they're going to show they got an award in magazines, whatever. It's kind of a big deal to get the award, but it just means that the editors of the magazine really enjoyed the product. And so the magazine decided to put out a monthly subscription box where you get 6+ beauty items, makeup, skincare typically, every now and again a hair care product or a tool, and you are guaranteed to get 3 full-size items. The rest will be deluxe sample or travel size. It does come with a booklet which will have the full-size pricing and not quite product information, moreover what their editors have to say about the products. Okay, enough rambling. Let's dive in and see what we got. So we have a sample travel size of a product from Cetaphil. And let me introduce you to my little friend, which I think I'll be using quite frequently in this month's box. This here is the Gentle Skin Cleanser, and it's for dry to normal sensitive skin. And this is 1 fluid ounce. All right, what else came in this box? All right, there we go. See, that's what I'm talking about. Here's the brand packaging, and they're touting the Allure Award. This here is from a brand I'm not familiar with called Shani Darden. And this here is a Retinol plus AHA serum. This, I assume, is going to be sample size because she's tiny, 10 ml. But it must be good if it has the Allure Award on it, right? Okay, so it does come with a pump, which for a travel size is really nice packaging. 50 pumps later, I don't know if it'll pick up. It came out, it wasn't clear or white. It's actually kind of a golden yellow shade. Not that that matters, but it did take me by surprise. Oh, and this has a scent. It reminds me of nothing floral, nothing sweet. Almost when you open your cupboard full of spices, it just kind of has a generic spice scent of no spice specifically. Interesting. Kind of spices and tea maybe? I don't know. Maybe it's honey. It felt a little drying, like it disappeared on my skin, but not in a good way. Not in a bad way. I don't know. It's not quite tacky, but dry. I don't know. It's a sample size. I'm going to stop rambling about that product and move along to the next. How about that? And then the next is the world's smallest. Without even looking at it, it just felt super tiny. What is this? This is from Origins, and it's ginseng something. I'm definitely going to need my little friend on this one. It's an oil-free, energy-boosting gel moisturizer, and this is a whopping 5 ml. Really, Allure? Really, Origins? You can only cough up a 5 ml sample? That's not even a deluxe sample size. Oh, it smells nice though. It smells very citrus, like orange or tangerine. That's probably why this bottle is, or tube is orange in color. Smells nice. I don't care how fantastic it is. I'm going to guess it's really bougie, because if it's not really bougie, why do we only get 5 ml? Come on, Allure. All right. What else came in this box? What is this? We have from another brand I'm not familiar with called Beyou, and it's a Caffeine Eye Cream to firm and brighten. All right, we all know, we can all see how wrinkly my eye area is. Welcome to your 50s, ladies. So I will never turn down an eye cream. Let's see if it's going to be one I like. All right, so it's a squeezy tube type. Right here, let's do a little sample. She's white. Doesn't seem to have a scent, which is good, particularly under your eyes. All right, I will assume this is full size because for an eye cream, that's what you get. And this is 15 ml. All right, next item. What is this? Sounds broken. Is this from Tula? You know, I get a lot of boxes when I can recognize the packaging. Yes, Tula Skincare. This is the Signature Glow Refreshing and Brightening Face Mist. I love face mists. Why does it sound broken? Oh, not broken. It has a metal ball, kind of like, it sounds like a can of spray paint. All right, please have a good mister. And please don't squirt in my eyes. Okay, so it's not a horrible mister, but it's not a fine mister. It felt a little thick and chunky, but I have some bottles with really good misters, so to try a product, although I don't know how I'll get the metal ball, and do you really need it? See how cloudy? Maybe you do need that metal ball. This did have a scent that reminded me of something, but nothing I can explain. Let's try again. This is going to sound weird. It smells like subtly, maybe citrus, but then I'm getting, in a not obnoxious way, it reminds me of what the hair salons smelled like in the 80s. Almost like someone sitting over there is getting a perm, which is kind of chemical and sounds gross, but like I said, in a good way. I don't know. I can't explain it. It's a familiar scent, not obnoxious. That's all I got. All right. And the last item, what is this? You look and feel and seem like you're going to be some sort of makeup. Like, where's the writing? All right, so this is from Blinc, and it's an UltraVolume tubing mascara. I so want to try tubing mascara, but as you may or may not know, I only wear waterproof, and I'm not aware of a tubing mascara that's waterproof. This here is in black, and since I will not be using it, I'm very curious what the wand looks like, but I'm not going to take it out because I don't want to start the clock and dry this out for whichever of you lucky viewers gets this in a giveaway. All right, is that everything? No, one more. I think I said that was the last item. Nope. This here is the last item. This here is from Briogeo, and it's a Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro-Exfoliating Shampoo. Oh, I was this close to just going giveaway, but the last word, shampoo. Okay, one of the rare hair care products I will use is a shampoo. So, yay, me. All right, let's recap everything that came in this box. A gentle skin cleanser from Cetaphil, a retinol serum from Shani Darden, a tubing mascara from Blinc, a Ginseng Gel Moisturizer from Origins, a Caffeine Eye Cream from Beyou, and the Signature Glow Face Mist from Tula Skincare. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, I don't hate it. Do I love it? Not really. There was only one makeup item, and of course it's the kind of makeup that I won't use. I love a face mist, so I'm excited about that product. I can never, ever have too many eye creams. I'll toss this in the shower and use it. Shampoo, who can't? This little teeny face cleanser, I'll go through it. Serum on my face, always. Yeah, so I can't complain-ish. Only one I won't use. Still, is it spectacular? Not really. Do you get a value for $23? I think so. I'm going to list on the screen the MSRP value of the box, and I can guarantee you without even looking anything up by this point that it will be greater than $23. I'm going to guess or speculate that this mascara is probably at least $20, possibly $25. I bet the serum, which I'm going to think right now is sample size, and it's probably full size, is going to be like $50. The eye cream, probably 40. I don't know. I'm going to stop guessing, but I know this will be well worth $23. The question is, would you enjoy it for $23? I don't mind, but let me know your thoughts. All right. I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would give this video a thumbs up. It really does help with my channel to grow. All right. Thanks, everyone.